We just saw a car that was rolled down the hill on the back of a tow truck. Flattish. So we don't know if this car was in an accident. GPS says the car's right around this bend. Forest fire. Yep, it caught on fire. Oh, definitely caught on fire. Tony, would you like to tell everybody what just ruined our lunch?
Sounds like we got a fire.
Yeah.
I guess so.
First time in the history of royalty has a car broke down close to me.
Yeah.
We are not too far away from it. We're actually gonna go pick up an Escalade, and now we're not picking up an Escalade. We are driving to right around Mount Charleston, so we're down the street from it. I almost thought, he told me it was on Hoover Ridge, which I was like, Hoover Dam? We're like the farthest away possible.
It's the worst
but yeah, we're not. It says, I don't know, apparently Hoover Ridge is about 6 miles to our north. So we're almost there. We're gonna see this one. Let's see what happens.
Tony, hey, grab the wheel quick, please. Watch the road.
Are you kidding me? Robbie, are you playing Raid again?
Watch the road.
You watch the road. You're the driver. Robbie.
It's fine.
Oh my goodness. Pull over.
It's fine.
Pull over.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
What are you tripping? What are you doing? What the hell, bro?
Get in the car. Let's go.
I'm not a kid. This is my phone.
You're acting like a
You
child.
broke my phone, bro.
I didn't break it. Get in the car. Why are you always playing this game?
You ask me this all the time. The new game is always updating, and it's in development right now as we speak. They have a new place. It's called the Doom Tower, which you don't even know about. I do. It's 120 floors of hard levels. They got these like bosses, and they're all difficult to fight. They got stuff like the Frost Spider. Okay, they got the freaking Magma Dragon. They have a Tomb Crab, bro. It's like all over you. Now, I know a lot of you have seen the Raid ads by now, but I kind of want to talk about something a little bit different. And the reason why Raid is a little bit different from the norm, okay? Their production, for sure, the quality, it's incredible. The level of detail, for sure, it's on a complete another level. You see me playing Raid all the time. Raid has over 450 unique characters, and every single one is completely and fully animated and does their own thing. And the best part about it is it's in-house, and it has a motion capture studio, and the quality is incredible. You know what, Tony? Best of all, why don't you just play with me? Let's join my clan. Will you do that?
What do you mean?
Well, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you go to the description in the video and you hit the link like I've been telling you, and you're a new player, you know what you get? You get 50,000 silver, 50 gems, 1 energy refill, 1 clan boss key, 5 mystery shards! I mean, what are we doing here? 1 day of double XP plus 1 free champion called the Executioner. So what do you think of that, tough guy?
Get out of the car.
What do you mean get out of the car?
Get out of the car.
Okay, we're on the freeway, sure.
Get out of the car.
You serious, dude? Hit the link in the bio in the description down below. Join my clan and play the game.
And here's the 158. So it looks nice. Kyle Canyon Road. We're gonna go ahead and just take off over here. Look at all these people. It's like a freeway exit now. Fire truck just passed. Looks like another one's coming. So there definitely was a fire, but it is currently put out. So I don't know how bad it was. We'll see. We just saw a car that was rolled down the hill on the back of a tow truck. So we don't know if this car was in an accident now, but everybody's driving so damn slow, we'll never make it there. So speed limit 55, currently going 48. Nobody in front of this guy at all. He
Nobody
just
cares about life.
chilling.
They're just chilling.
Oh yeah, look at these guys. One. Forest fire. Yep, it caught on fire.
Oh,
Definitely
yeah,
caught on fire. When did the fire start? Like when you're driving?
Yeah, we were driving.
So odd.
So we were coming, we were just cruising up here. I don't know, probably a couple hundred yards back is when I noticed it. So looking in the rearview mirror, I see the fire.
Really bad.
And check this out. So when I left, I noticed that this was like this.
Yeah, there's heat shields. That's how they
But
are.
isn't it supposed to be about on this loom?
No, it goes all the way down, and it
Okay.
kind of sits on there. You see on the other side
So
too.
I didn't say anything because I was like,
Yeah, that's normal.
it's
That's how they
yeah.
run.
Yeah.
I mean, this car's 19,000 miles the same way.
Yeah. So, I noticed, when I noticed the fire, I'm like, fuck, dude, I got to pull over. And then I was, thank God there was a
Definitely
fucking,
pull over.
Well, yeah.
You know?
You caught it. No, but I mean, like, there's nowhere to pull over. So if I would have pulled over, like, on the side of the road, I would have had no water, dude. It's only a couple bottles. Car would have gone up. I'm sitting there going, I'm like, water. So I thankfully, dude, when I was, dumping the water on the thing, the flames started going down. I'm like, God, and I get on there because I'm thinking we're gonna see a $500,000 fire.
You should see my other one.
Oh yeah.
So my green Aventador, it rear-ended someone on the freeway, and then it caught fire, and it's literally, it's one wheel on the front left. And it was on the middle of the, it was in the middle of the freeway.
In the front?
Yeah, no, that was the,
Yeah, I saw
the other one
Doesn't that look like
happened
it's
right here.
No way.
2 car fires in Vegas. The one happened, this one, and the other one happened exactly the same spot.
No way.
The coolest
Go
place
back.
in Las Vegas is the times that both my fires
Well,
happened.
and that's what I'm thinking, dude. I'm at like 4,000, 5,000 RPM. I'm in second gear. There's traffic. I can't even fucking get moving.
No, yeah, that's so
and
weird.
I'm like, I've seen these cars before, in videos at the exhaust catches on. People rev them at
That's what
stoplights,
happened to the other one.
and they light up on fire.
Yep.
So, I was like, fuck, I hadn't revved it, nothing, and when I pulled over, I ran over here and the fire was down in here. And I just started throwing water on it, dude. I was like, thank God it went out.
Well, we're gonna leave it here for now. I'll come and get a tow truck. We were actually probably, however long, when you came and called, that's how far away we were. We were literally like right there on that gas station right at the end.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy an Escalade from that dealer down there, and he called us. He said they're Mount Charleston. I'm like, no way. So we were an hour closer. So I'm gonna send the tow truck to come here. We'll take you guys back.
If we had some heat tape, you could wrap all that back up and drive it home. I'm sure
You could probably drive this back because it doesn't look really that bad. But
driving it, I just was like, I was like, if you guys had heat tape or something to put over that, it would be fine. But
yeah,
I don't
really want to light it on fire more, So we'll go from there. But you guys jump in the back of that truck right there, and then we'll figure this out. What a rough day, honestly. It doesn't really get much worse than this. The good news is obviously no one's hurt. That's the best part about everything. I've had 4 fires already, and everybody seems to just get out of the car and just film the car burn down. Luckily, the guy who was driving the car, he had a water bottle and didn't cause too much of catastrophic damage. It is really unfortunate about the timing because it's obviously the best weather to be driving an Aventador right now, so that's a bummer. But in hindsight, no one's hurt. The damage isn't excessive. So we've got some rear hatch, some, let's say the fender on the side, the rear bumper, the wing. Some of the under trim panels are obviously damaged. So it's got a little bit of work to put into it. I'd probably say we're looking at, man, on an Aventador, like literally anything that breaks on an Aventador is plus 10,000. So I'm gonna say in the rough neighborhood about $65,000 to $75,000, assuming I can repair the wire harness. Now, that's a really big question, and there's a little bit of damage down there, but it doesn't look that bad. I can't really tell until you get it all taken apart. But this is kind of an opportunity in disguise. I had a really cool opportunity about 6 months ago to buy a really special, I don't want to call it a body kit, but a body kit for an Aventador, and I think this may be the good excuse for me to put it on. So let's transition this into an Aventador build video. So our next video after this, we're gonna tear it all apart, make sure we can fix it, and if we can, let's make it look a whole lot cooler.
You have reached just about the end of the video, and what that means for Royalty Exotic Cars, it means it is giveaway time. So we have picked a couple of you guys to receive some of the beautiful Royalty merchandise. So we are going to scroll, see who won in 1 second. First one we got landed right on Cole Sandman. Cole Sandman. Mario, go ahead and put it right here. The other, we're gonna go ahead and Austin Gray. Austin Gray, 10_88. Mario, you'll get it. Hold on 1 second. Screenshot that just so Mario has it. So, for the next video, guys, I want to make sure you guys do your part. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you show us you follow us on Instagram and all that other good stuff. And we're going to pick 5 winners this time as long as the video gets 10,000 likes. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for the support, but we're going to pick more people next time.